welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. Carlos went to Starbucks this morning and got us both a venti Americano with nothing in it, so just strong black coffee. And I poured half of it into this mug. As you can see, it is piping hot. And you already know what time of year it is. It is a peppermint mocha creamer kind of a month, you know? So I'm gonna put a little, oh my God, I almost, what do you mean I almost spilled it? I definitely spilled it, Nicole. You guys, that could have been so bad. I think it's because this, like, what in the hell? All right, let's try that again. Perfect. I'm on a little break from work, so I thought I would make some breakfast and enjoy my coffee. So this is what I made this morning. I actually had an entire bell pepper that was kind of starting to go bad, so I chopped that up and sauteed it with some of those turkey sausage crumbles and some egg whites. And then I made a piece of toast and some blackberries. I'm gonna enjoy this and my coffee and watch some Vlogmas videos and then get back to work. So I'm pretty much done with my work day. I'll probably do some extra stuff tonight to kind of catch up, but for the most part I am done. I forgot we need to open up our advent calendar for today, which is the 10th. So let's do that. Oh, these are cute. They're just Christmas trees. Oh, I feel like these are a good Christmas morning kind of a sock. So these will be on my little feetsies. I don't know why I said little because I have size 10 feet. I got some big old feet. These will be on my big old feet Christmas morning. You guys, we only have 2 days left of this, and then we get to dig into my Clarence advent calendar that is up there. Who is here? All right, it's my neighbor. We only have 2 more days left of socks. It kind of makes me sad. I think I'm gonna work on another little to-do list just so I stay on track for today. I know for a fact today is probably just gonna be cleaning, cleaning, cleaning. This weekend we're gonna have our niece and Carlos's sister over to have like a little hot chocolate night and probably like watch Christmas movies or something. So I wanna make sure the house is in tip-top shape. So I'm probably just gonna spend the rest of the day cleaning, maybe wrapping. I still have that frame I need to wrap. And then I need to finish the rest of my online shopping. I have 2 more people I need to get something for, and I'm thinking Amazon is my only option at this point. So the things I for sure need to get done today are as follows. Clean the front bathroom, reply to comments on my last vlog, clean the back bathroom, or the master bathroom, vacuum the whole house, and complete the rest of my laundry. Because I did finish the laundry, but now I have more at this point, so I want everything washed and clean and put away, and I'm gonna start working on these actually right now. Oh my God, I just had the worst sneezing attack ever. Wow. I'm dressed in the cutest outfit you'll ever see because it is time to clean this back bathroom. I think I've talked about this before, but my house was built in the 50s, so some of the house is still original, like this lovely, lovely green tile and the green tiled shower as well. And Carlos and I have been talking about wanting to like remodel this bathroom, but I don't know. I just don't want to spend a crazy amount of money knowing that this is not going to be my forever home. So then we thought maybe, I don't know, maybe we could remodel it ourselves. Like just rip out all of this like built-in vanity and get like one that they sell at like Costco or like Home Depot or something. So have any of you guys, any of you who don't have any like construction background, have any of you ever like remodeled or renovated a room, a bathroom on your own? Let me know down below. Let me know if I should just hire somebody or give it a shot, because I am really stuck. I don't know what to do. So I'm mid-organizing with my adorable little headband. I love these for just keeping my hair out of my face. But I realized that I had like 3 It's a 10s that have like not much in them. So I wanted to show you guys how I always like combine them once they get to the end of their life. I always pick the bottle and the little sprayer that looks the nicest, which is this one. And this will be the It's a 10 that I pour all the other ones into. The rest of them I just kind of hold in hot water. Let me turn that down actually just a little bit. I don't ever touch the container to the bottom of the pot because I don't want to melt the container, but I make sure to get the product nice and hot and melted. That way it pours easily into the other bottle. That probably took about 30 seconds in total. If you guys use It's a 10, you know it's super thick and it's not like a liquid detangler, so that's why this is 100% necessary. So I got my SHEIN package a few days ago actually, so I'm just unboxing it and getting all the clothes like laid out and flat because after I eat lunch, I'm planning on filming my try-on haul. So I'm just gonna lay all these clothes flat and get ready for that.
Once felt I'm done with the defense, drove back and climbed over your fence, had to show you that I was a mess.
I tested out that hair waver I got the other day during Vlogmas. I think I opened that, yeah I did, during one of the vlogs, and I actually like it. I haven't like kind of combed through it yet. I just wanted to let it sit for a while and then I'm gonna like style it, but I kind of like it. So we just got a package and I was like, first of all, who uses these anymore? Come on. But I really truly had no idea what I even ordered, but it's actually for the wedding. We got some just plain white little candles, and then in here somewhere there should be another box with the little candle like glass holders. So let me try to dig these out. So this is what they look like, just super simple. I didn't want anything like gold or silver or anything like that. I just think that they're really cute, and these are the perfect like filler for our table decor and like gift table and all that stuff. So we got these on Black Friday for actually a really good deal. The guy that like I guess booked us at the venue told us about a website. It's called Candles for Less, where they have super inexpensive candles that are like, it's even cheaper than the dollar store, because sometimes the dollar store is not a good deal. So we got, I forget how many, 72 votive holders and 72 candles, and the total was like $40 or something like that. Like it was super inexpensive. So I will have that company linked below if you guys are planning a wedding or any sort of event. I haven't really like fully thought through of what I want the tables to look like. Like I have a general idea, but I'm not like 100% sure yet. So that these candles and the votive holders were something that I knew for a fact. Like I wanted plenty of like candles. So glad that I ordered these. I need to actually probably get tubs and start labeling stuff, or get like 1 or 2 big tubs for wedding stuff that I can start like piling stuff in. This is really the only thing I have so far. But, and then when the time comes, I think I'm gonna do 1 tub per table that we have. So if we have 10 tables, we'll have 10 tubs. And then everything that's going like, say at table 1, will go in the table 1 tub. That's what I think I'm gonna do. Same with like gift table and like dessert table and all that. So like decor wise. So I'm gonna show you guys a little behind the scenes of pretty much what I do to get ready to film. I already, like I said, did my hair. I haven't like really done it. I just did the hair waver, and then I'm gonna style it here in a minute. But the first thing I do is obviously I have it planned out to where like all my batteries are charged, and like I have room on my SD cards, so on and so forth. Second thing is I come in here and I set all of this stuff up. And climbed over your fence, had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. So I'm standing like where I stand when I film, and this is typically what it looks like when I'm all set up and ready to go. I have both of my box lights on either side of my ring light and camera, and then I also have set up this little cell phone tripod that has this remote. That way I can take my outfit selfies, and I use that for my thumbnail. I then have my computer chair where I put all of my clothes after I try them on, and clothes that I have not tried on yet. I just keep like on this desk, which apparently I still need to clean off. I always do the try on portion first, so I'm gonna go out and get my clothes and set up my Bluetooth speaker, and I always blast music while I'm doing the try on portion. Then I come back and I do the actual like talking portion. So that is what I'm gonna go do right now. All right, I feel like I look a little crazy right now, but I just got ready to film. I got my first outfit on, which I'm not gonna show you guys here. You guys will have to wait for the SHEIN haul. Kind of zhuzhed my hair just a little bit and then touched up my makeup, put some lip gloss on. For some reason, whenever I film, I'm like talking so much that my lips get so dry. So I always make sure to put like chapstick or lip gloss on, and then I always have a glass of water because I get thirsty. Wow, it is always so bright in here. All right, I just wrapped up my video. I am exhausted. I'm always exhausted, I feel like, after I film, because it's a good like 2-hour filming process, and then I edit for like another couple of hours, so it's definitely a lot of work. I'm gonna shut all of these lights off and put them back over here on the carpet, and then probably import that footage. Just knock on wood, nothing happens to it. I want to get it up on my external hard drive and then possibly maybe start editing it. I'm not sure yet, but I do know I just want to go relax for a few minutes because I am exhausted.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna make Nicole a cocktail while she cooks dinner in her beautiful outfit.
You're welcome.
On the rock cocktail instead of rocks, but you get it.
Just one rock.
This jalapeno Jones right here, Trace General Jones. You like that?
All right, we are.
Stand back here.
Why?
So you can see me. Otherwise, I'm like this.
Okay, here.
You're good.
Okay, we're gonna taste test this jalapeno. What is it? Pineapple jalapeno?
Jalapeno pineapple margarita.
All right. There's a lot of alcohol in that.
There's not a lot of alcohol in that at all.
I taste a lot.
I think you taste.
I'm a lightweight though.
It tastes like pineapple juice with a little bit of tequila in it to me.
It's pretty good though.
I bet you I can make you a better cocktail right now.
Oh my god, it's always a competition. Always.
No, it's not bad, but it's...
All right, I'm serving up dinner tonight. I am making salmon fettuccine. So we already have the salmon pieces cooked, and I'm working on the sauce right now. And we already have the pasta cooked. All right, this is the final product. Delicious salmon fettuccine. Haven't really tried it yet, so don't know if it's delicious, but it smells good. This was all just stuff like we literally had at home, so that kind of worked out. It always takes me so long to twirl. Mmm. I didn't get any salmon though. Ooh, salmon.
Does it taste so good?
Mm-hmm. It's really good. I'll link the recipe below.
I know I was nervous about you, meeting my family, but that's just because.
Who do you think, Tasia, is that her name? Tasia? Who do you think Tasia is gonna pick at the end of all this?
Zach.
Zach?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm not sure yet. How long are you gonna just stare for, Bubba? I just love this little onesie. This onesie,
Where's mine?
didn't get you one. This is gonna be in my SHEIN haul. So far I'm loving this necklace holder. It's keeping everything nice and organized. I'm digging it. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go take my makeup off, brush my teeth, hop into bed, and I feel like today's an editing from bed kind of a night, so I'm gonna start editing. That is it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys tomorrow.